recorded none of this. Anyway, this part of the water, you're going back towards the road. This is normally not even here. All the rain in the world has never produced it here since we've been here. Been here a little over a year. Just going down through there. As you can see, right here, we got a little stream starting to run down through here. Get running. Run down through here and starting down to the road. But that's all I came out here to show you, is that little bit there. I can't see much about what else is going on because it's too dark. We'll probably see you some more tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye.